Hi y'all, Justin at Wildline Ropes, and if y'all could please like, share, and subscribe, that'd be great. Today we're going to talk about the Wildline rope mods and how to use them. First off, I like to take the bungee, go around that knot. If you just pull it, it'll come loose. To set it up on the stick, has this eye here. I like to take that and go one, put a twist in it, and then two, like that. Use the castration band to cinch up on it like that. That way it can't come off your stick. And now we'll just go around the tree here. You get the rope around the tree, make sure you're not on any kind of knot or anything like that on the back side of the tree. You want to get these nice and tight, so I like to pull it tight right now. Pull it tight, go under your button, go around the quick hitch button. You can go under or over it, doesn't matter. I usually go over. All right, now that at this point I like to grab it with my left hand and take the hitch with my right hand and go over the button, slide the mini WLR hitch up, pull it tight, and the tighter you pull it, the tighter it'll be on that tree. I like to engage the hitch by sliding my fingers up the hitch. That helps engage it and will keep a little bit of slack out of it that forms when you go to push it down like this. As you can see, that stick is very set to the tree. If you're going to go around a smaller tree, sometimes you can just wrap it around twice to take up that extra slack. This quick hitch button, it's on a Prusik, so it can be moved as well. This is an 8-foot Wildline rope mod. We offer them an 8 and 9 foot. So as you can see, this is a pretty big tree. If you hunt trees like this, you need to be using a larger one. And if you want even bigger ones made, then you can contact me at justin@wildlineropes.com. That's really about all there is to the Wildline rope mods. Quick, simple, really snug, and can be used on platform and stands as well. Climb safe.